What is up, guys? Welcome back to Overspray. In today's video, we're gonna have a little bit different of a video. I know I promised you guys I was gonna come out with a painting video on a plastic part. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting on paint. It has not arrived yet. It should have been here yesterday, and I expected it here at least today, but it's still not here. So unfortunately, we can't make a painting video today because, well, I don't have any paint to spray. But I will care to make a video for you guys on a new product I recently purchased, and that is the Tolecut starter kit. This is a touch-up system, and well, let's go ahead and talk about it and tell you why I like this kit. So this is the kit. This is called the Tolecut touch-up system starter kit, and it comes with 8 different cuts. As you guys can see, as we get closer, you have a range between a K800 all the way up to a K3000. Now, I actually saw a couple other YouTubers that use this, including Paint Society. So thank you, Brian, for the suggestion. I went ahead and purchased this, and I gotta say, I really like it. Now, as you guys can see, the roof is, well, getting worked on, let's just say. Of course, when you paint in a garage like me, you have a lot of places where dirt can come and land on your paint job, unfortunately. And, well, this thing had quite a bit of trash, and as you guys see by all the sanding marks, well, this thing had a lot of dirt nibs. So I recently purchased this kit because, well, I did have to correct those dirt nibs, and this is perfect for removing nibs, runs, or imperfections. So let's go ahead and open this guy up, see what's all included, and go from there. All right, so this kit actually comes with 2 little blocks, as you guys can see. One is flat, square flat, and the other one is kind of like a teardrop type shape. Another item that it also comes with is the sandpaper, and you can see it's an 8-cut block sheet. So you have these little squares cut out. You can see that on this paper here. You can see I've been using it, and it's got these little squares you can peel off like a sticker. Let's see right there, and then you just stick it onto your block, and you're able to sand out dirt nibs. Now, what I like about it is it has different sanding grits. You can see 800 all the way up to 3000. You guys are probably asking yourself, well, what makes this thing so special? It's just little sandpaper with a small block, right? Well, you probably are used to these little guys. Now, these are great for taking out nibs and runs, but they are pretty dangerous as well to paint because you can actually scratch the paint very easily with these, and it really takes some experience using these to not scratch paint. Ask me how I know. So what's so special about this? Well, if you buy the Tolecut, it actually comes with these little guys right here, this little instruction. You can actually see right here in this area, if you look at the color, which the color basically identifies the grit. So let's just go to this 3000 right here. So as you guys can see, the black sandpaper, which is a 3000 grit sandpaper, will cut like a 2000 grit sandpaper, as you guys can see here, but will leave a finish in manually will leave a finish of 3000, and if you use a machine, it could leave up to a 3500 grit scratch. So basically it cuts down very quickly, but leaves an appropriate finish for you to finish over. You don't have to keep, you know, going up the grits just to get this type of finish. So that's what actually makes this thing unique. Now, of course, they have other stuff too. They have other products you guys can check out. But I thought that was very cool because it really cuts down on the time it takes to cut down these nibs. And I really think that this is actually a better kit than what you can get with one of these, where you have the potential to actually scratch the paint to the point where you're not going to be able to fix that scratch. It's going to be too deep, right? So I really prefer this Tolecut now that I've used it. I really like it. Thank you, Brian, from Paint Society. You made a couple videos on this, and I'm really glad you showed me this because this thing is pretty cool. People are going to ask a little bit more about it. So this is a dry system, as you guys can see here. It says dry. It's suggested to be used dry, but I like to use a little bit of water just over the nib, and then go ahead and start sanding. But you don't have to do that. You could actually do it dry. Now they also make different shapes. They make round ones, little squared ones, and they even come in sheets as well. Also with the suggestions, so large nibs and runs, you'd be using a 800 to 1200. Medium runs would be like, medium nibs would be 15 to 2000, and small nibs 2500 to 3000. Now, of course, this is made by Eagle Abrasives, which also makes Kovacs, which I love Kovacs. Sandpaper, I actually have quite a few different products from Kovacs. And if you flip over to the other side, they actually have all the stuff that they sell. Of course, accessories, different blocks, the touch-up sander that they sell, and all that good stuff. They also have other kits as well, as you guys can see here, the Tolecut starter kits. The one I got is just the 8-cut sheet starter kit, but you guys can see that they have various amounts of different kits you guys can buy. So like I said, the sheets, you can see that they sell in full sheets, 8-cut sheets, 4-cut sheets, and Tolecut touch-up discs, which is basically little round sheets. So yeah, I think this thing is a keeper. I think more people should know about this, and this is why I wanted to share the Tolecut touch-up system. Sorry. I think it's really cool kit. I think it works really, really well. I've used it on basically the whole roof of the car so far, and I'm not done yet, of course, but I got to continue on. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed that really short video on the Tolecut system. I think it's a really good system. I think more people should know about it because it just works. Trust me, it just works. I think I spent right around 30 bucks for this kit, and I think it's well worth it, considering that most nibbing tools or maybe even nibbing tungstens are much higher than that in some cases. You can find them cheaper for like 20 bucks or something like that from like detailing stores and stuff. But like I said, you run the risk of scratching the paint, and I think that the Tolecut system will help you out with getting rid of nibs much easier and trouble-free. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay spraying, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.